I was looking for a dehumidifier that was small, quiet, and actually effective, but still simple and modern looking, and this one has been all of that and so easy to use. This is the PSOS dehumidifier, and for its size, it pulls a surprising amount of moisture, up to 40 ounces a day. And the 98-ounce water tank is large for something this small. It's designed for spaces up to about 1,000 square feet, so it's been great for bathrooms, bedrooms, closets, or smaller basements. Setup is literally plug in and tap the power button. You can switch to intelligent mode by pressing the humidity button. When it lights up blue, it automatically runs until the room reaches about 45% humidity. It has an LCD display showing both the room's humidity and the temperature, so you can actually see it working as it dries out the space. I tested it in my bathroom for 2 hours, and as you can see, it dropped the humidity from 53 to 44%. This is the water that it pulled out in that small window. It doesn't look like much, but for such a short run, I was really impressed. It also has a fun, soft 7-color ambient light. You can lock it on a single color or turn off the light completely while the dehumidifier keeps running. Noise-wise, it's so quiet. There's a sleep mode that brings it down to around 30 decibels and turns off all the button lights, but even in regular mode, it's still super quiet. I measured mine at about 42 decibels. The safety and auto features make it really hands-off. It has full auto shut-off when the tank's full or not sitting flat. It stops and turns on a red light, and I only have to empty the tank every couple of days. And in cooler rooms, the auto defrost keeps it running down to about 41 degrees by preventing frost buildup. And I love the design. It's modern, compact, and the hidden side handle makes it easy to move without looking like an appliance. For musty odors, light condensation, and just making the air feel lighter, it's been really effective. So if you want something compact, quiet, and modern that runs itself, this is a great choice.